Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a super useful process: how to use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and build customized Notion templates for whatever project you're dreaming up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI tools to speed up your workflow and take your Notion game to a whole new level, whether you're organizing your life, managing a business, or planning a creative project. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up ChatGPT. This is your idea-generating powerhouse for today. Once you've got ChatGPT open, type in something like, "Generate 10 Notion template ideas." Doing this is like asking a super smart friend to give you a menu of possibilities you may not have considered. ChatGPT will quickly whip up a list of Notion template suggestions. These might range from daily planners and habit trackers to project management boards or content calendars. If you're feeling unsure about what you need, reading through a few creative options can really spark inspiration. Take your time here and read through each idea. Remember, you're not just rushing to pick one. You're choosing a starting point that will help you work smarter down the road. Once you find an idea that stands out to you, say a goal tracker or a book reading log, go ahead and select that one. Having a clear focus makes your template much more useful. Now, switch over to Notion. If you haven't already logged in, do so, and make sure you're ready to create a new page or workspace. Notion will be where your template comes to life. Here's where Notion AI steps in to make things even smoother. On your new blank page, bring up Notion AI. If you haven't used it before, it works a lot like ChatGPT, but right inside Notion. Type a prompt like, "Create a Notion template for a book reading log," or use the specific idea you picked from ChatGPT. Notion AI will then build the structure for your template automatically. It might lay out columns for title, author, ratings, notes, and progress items. This automated process can save you a ton of time compared to manually building every piece from scratch. But don't worry if you don't see every detail just right on the first try. Sometimes the AI will include sections you don't need or miss something important to you. That's totally normal. Once your template is generated, take a few minutes to review what Notion AI made for you. Look over each section, column, or tag. Ask yourself if it matches how you work or what you really need. For instance, maybe you want to log when you start and finish each book, or you'd like tags for genres. If you notice anything that could be tweaked to fit you better, simply edit those parts. Notion makes it very easy to change headers, rearrange fields, or add extra details. Think of this like adjusting a recipe to suit your personal taste. The base is there thanks to AI, but the final flavor is all yours. This process might take a few moments, and that's perfectly okay. Don't worry if what you get at first isn't perfect. The beauty of using both ChatGPT and Notion AI is that you can keep iterating until your template fits exactly what you want. If you ever feel stuck, just try generating a new idea, or use ChatGPT to help brainstorm ways to improve your template further. And there you have it. That's how you can use ChatGPT and Notion AI together to create powerful, tailored templates for anything you need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite Notion template ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials like this, and happy organizing!